At Launchpad, our mission is to invest in and scale companies that transform current energy value chains and businesses or create new ones to help BP and the world get to net zero. Our business incubation program is a pre-Launchpad stage, which helps source those early stage ideas in low carbon or digital space across BP or externally as well, and create potential new businesses out of them.
BP is a huge company that is connected all over the world. So where else would you have the backing from someone that has access to customers, access to data, that has ecosystems and relationships that you can connect into, that has world-class abilities to build companies and units with high levels of compliance and safety, that has super skilled cybersecurity? You're a startup and you have access to all of this. That's incredible.